A bug in my helmet. Oh, it's crawling about. Right, we are on the A684 heading towards Hawes, and we've got a bit of a pass to do. Bump. And the sun's out and it's getting quite warm. So that means the bugs will be out, and if the bugs are out, the lens is going to get splattered. It's a long time since I've done this road, but it's early again. Set off just after 7, and it is what does that say, 8:45ish. It's a proper windy road, this. Very, very easy to get slightly carried away and end up on the wrong side of the road. Thankfully we've got sheep and traffic lights to slow us down. Look at that view. Red light turned green now. Yes. I wasn't really going to film much of this, but I was going to try and save the battery for my pass. But I put it on so I could have a jibber jabber ramble of nothing but shit as usual, and forgot that this bit was quite picturesque. Yeah, look at these very unforgiving stone walls, great massive square manholes right on the bend that you can't really avoid. Lovely in the wet. We have an viaduct, don't know what it is. Oh, we're going under it, how exciting. North Yorkshire. Right, here we are going to Hawes. No giggling. And this is nice. Okie dokie. So we are gonna go that road over there in them trees, turn left and go up on high, but not without new batteries. Well, we've just passed 12,000 miles on the bus. Fantastic day. So bright when the sun's in your face, like you're having a summer. I'm going to do a left turn Clyde, got to get that in. I've got a bug in my helmet, it's up on me, I can feel it in my ear. Oh, it's crawling about. Oh, I don't like that. I hope it's not a spider. I've got earplugs in, so at least it's only going to stay on the surface, it's not going to go for do a bit of mining. Oh god, that's distracting. Like a roller coaster. Oh yeah. Oh, you go that way, I'll go this way. He wasn't for shifting, was he? Just because he's got fucking antlers. Or the horns. Yeah, sheep have horns, don't they? Little floppy tail. There's another one with horns. It's still in my ear, tickling us. Oh, that's horrible, that. Oh, I'm gonna have to stop and get it out. Oh no, we're on the way down now, might as well enjoy it. Watch out for sheep in the dead ground. Don't want to splatter any. My memory must be failing. I thought there was a place to stop a little bit further on. Then I can... oh no, there maybe is. We're going back up again. We may be able to debug me helmet. But the view is pretty stunning. All within an hour and a bit of Carlisle. She's going to be steep. Don't really want to stop on there. More gravel in the road. Well, he tests the brakes. Certainly lose the height quick when they're that steep. Well, that was the Buttertubs Pass. Very, very short. Ah, and this is it, left turn Clyde. But I still need somewhere to stop that's flat to unbuggers. Maybe this might do. Even if it's a bit gravelly. We have landed.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
Well, I couldn't see it, so I hope it's gone. Probably in a different bit. Ready to tickle me head. Oh no! That feckin' bug means I'm going to be stuck behind that. Technical term. Bollocks. Carry on. Unless we're really lucky. Can we get past him? No, I can't see. Oh, is he maybe gonna... Gentlemen, yeah, it's seriously warm now. Just since we've come over the top and down here. Bit of a sun trap. But that wagon likes threading his way through these tight little bits. That's beautiful, isn't it? Thought that scored a waterfall. This is it. Look at that. Wow. That is fantastic.